Maintaining a home can be financially demanding, but are you inadvertently overspending on upkeep? Chances are pretty good that you might be. That's where I come in to assist. Hi, I'm George Poperad with eXp Realty, and today we're going to talk about 10 of the most expensive mistakes you might be making in your home. Number 1, sticking with traditional light bulbs. If you are still using incandescent light bulbs, chances are pretty good that you are throwing away a lot of money every month on inflated electricity bills. Over time, an incandescent bulb can consume $180 worth of electricity, whereas a CFL bulb uses only $41, and even better, an LED bulb will use just $30 of electricity. So consider the impact of switching to LED bulbs throughout your entire home. The savings can quickly offset the initial cost, and they usually last a significantly longer amount of time. Expensive mistake number 2, ignoring water leaks. A faucet that drips 1 drop per second can waste over 3,000 gallons of water per year, which can obviously lead to exorbitant water bills and contribute to environmental waste. For those that live in areas plagued with drought, this could be costing you a fortune. Even if leaks aren't immediately visible, a sudden spike in usage or the sound of water running when nothing is actually on could indicate a problem. Check your water meter for movement when everything is off. And if you suspect a leak, enlist the help of a plumber to address it sooner rather than later. When it comes to water leaks, time is money. Expensive mistake number 3, neglecting furnace filter maintenance. Forgetting to clean or replace your HVAC filters can put excessive strain on your HVAC system, which can increase energy consumption and cause premature wear and tear on the system. This can lead to early failure, and replacing a furnace is not cheap. Your best bet is to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning or replacing the furnace filters. If you live in a particularly dusty area, or if you have problems with allergies, replacing them more often is probably a good idea. Most programmable thermostats will let you set reminders for when to change the filters, or you can use your calendar app to follow a regular maintenance schedule. Expensive mistake number 4, failing to customize your home temperature settings. Heating or cooling an empty house will waste energy and money. So investing in a programmable thermostat, or actually utilizing the one that you already have to adjust temperatures based on your schedule, can really save you a lot of money. In the wintertime, set your programmable thermostat to lower the temperatures while you are away and restore them to a comfortable level before you return. And in the summertime, just flip that around. By simply automating your HVAC system, you can significantly lower your monthly energy costs. Expensive mistake number 5, mismanaging your air vents. Uneven temperature distribution inside of your home can result from improperly adjusted air vents. Redirecting the airflow by adjusting the dampers near the furnace or the individual vents in each room will help you to achieve a balanced temperature throughout the home. Now, some experimentation might be necessary to get this right, but finding the right balance will enhance your comfort and save you some money. And a bonus tip here, adjusting your ceiling fans for the summer and the winter can also save you a significant amount of money. In the summer, fans should spin counterclockwise to help create a downdraft, which creates a direct cooling breeze. While in the wintertime, having a fan spin clockwise will create an updraft and circulate warm air around the room. Real quick, if you are finding this video or any other videos of mine helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I do try to post new and helpful content regularly. Expensive mistake number 6, overwatering the lawn. Many homeowners dream of a lush green lawn, but when it comes to watering, more isn't always better. If your home has a sprinkler system, you could quite literally be throwing money down the drain. Many homeowners have their sprinkler systems programmed to come on in the early morning hours for optimum lawn health. This can be a problem, however, if you are not around to see what you are actually watering. A broken sprinkler head could be causing a fountain, or the trajectory of the sprinkler head may be directed at a fence or the sidewalk instead of actually on your lawn. Periodically, run your sprinkler system during the day so you can ensure that it is operating efficiently and to prevent unnecessary water waste. Expensive mistake number 7, setting your water heater temperature too high. Unless you have a tankless hot water heater, your regular water heater is keeping the water in its tank hot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Maintaining a consistent high temperature in your water heater year-round is wasteful and unnecessary. Adjust your water heater temperature seasonally to reduce energy consumption, and lower it further when you are going out of town to avoid heating unused water. It is a simple adjustment that can save you a considerable amount of money. Expensive mistake number 8, not addressing leaky windows and doors. As time passes, windows and doors age, leading to potential drafts and energy loss. If you feel drafts in your home, or you notice extended heating or cooling times, it's very likely that your doors or windows are leaking. These leaks could allow cold air in during the winter and cool air out during the summertime, which can result in wasted energy and money. Instead of cranking up the HVAC system to compensate, consider more cost-effective solutions. If new windows aren't feasible right now, caulking around leaky frames or replacing worn weather stripping can make a significant difference. For drafty doors, adding rubber seal weather stripping or a draft guard can effectively keep out winter winds and preserve the warmth indoors. Expensive mistake number 9, not rethinking handyman expenses. While some tasks around the house require professional expertise, many minor repairs can be tackled by the average homeowner with a little research and effort. Before hiring a handyman for simple jobs, consider whether you can handle them yourself. Tasks like fixing a faulty outlet or repairing a running toilet don't often require specialized skills and can be learned by online tutorials or a quick trip to the hardware store. By taking initiative to learn these basic tasks, you can save a considerable amount of money over time and even find satisfaction in mastering a new skill. Expensive mistake number 10, ignoring your roof. Out of sight, out of mind, right? But ignoring roof problems can lead to costly issues down the line. Curling or missing shingles may seem minor, but they can pave the way for leaks, wood rot, and mold in your attic, resulting in extensive repairs and mold remediation expenses. To prevent these problems, inspect your roof at least twice a year, preferably in the spring and in the fall. Binoculars can aid in spotting issues from a distance, and if you notice any potential problems, don't hesitate to call a professional for a thorough assessment and timely repairs. Your roof protects you from the elements, and roof replacements are not cheap, so making sure you address problems early to avoid expensive costs down the line should be a top priority. Maintaining a home can be a significant expense, but by avoiding costly mistakes and implementing practical solutions, you can optimize household efficiency and keep more money in your pocket. If you are considering buying or selling a home here in the Cleveland area, or if you just have some real estate or home related questions, reach out. Let's have a conversation. Thanks for watching.